the one I like too much. So let's go.
Let's go.
Very soft. The salt very it's a bit spicy.
Good,
a bit
good.
Sour. Spicy on the meat. Very matched.
Okay. This is my favorite. Som Tum, I like it too much. It's corn and salted eggs. We can see because this one is have the fermented fish. Good, right? Good, right?
All good.
Yeah. Yeah, huh? Beef. This one beef grilled beef. Yeah. Okay.
This one is grilled liver.
Okay. Grilled liver. So can I try it?
Oh, I try this one.
Yeah.
With this sauce.
Yeah.
The sauce is a bit spicy and a bit sour.
Okay. อร่อยไหม
Meat is a bit soft, not so tough, nice, not so chewy.
Okay.
It's good. This one is a good one. This one,
Uh-huh. No, the liver we have to go with this one. Okay. Nice, right? This is fried garlic. That will make the smell, right? Good smell more. Wow.
So this one is a prawn tempura.
We did that. Oh my god. Okay, try
It's a
it.
bit hot, so I can try.
Slowly, huh?
Slowly,
Wow, it look cool. The prawn very big, huh? Yeah, I see that. And very crispy.
This sauce is a plum sauce. So it's a little bit like honey, a bit sweet, but also a bit sour. Very mad with the plum cake.
Wow. Century egg.
Salad.
They made by the salad. They made it by salad, right? So
Have the onion, inside have the onion.
No, this one is ginger.
No, onion.
Oh yeah, onion, ginger, and yeah, the egg. Let's try. Have to put cooking up, right?
Onion.
Onion, okay.
Hello, very nice, very delicious.
This is a prawn fried rice.
Prawn fried rice, right? Okay. Okay. ที่นั่งกิน try it. Nice, right? Can I try one? King of the fish. This size only Thailand have นะใช่ไหม Very
Crispy.
crispy. Good. Now we will check in. And let's see how much for this night. We very enjoy for tonight. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like and share for my channel. Thank you.